Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm really happy about this and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help. So let me show you how I did it. This one is called Gameplay Analysis 3, number 534. Basically, you want to tally up how many games have been played so far for each player and do it according to the event date in ascending order. Okay, so if you look at the examples, that basically confirms it. So this restarts because we're starting a new player ID, and then the order, obviously, month 7 is after month 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort this by the event date first. So let's call this cur. Let's refresh the page. The return key is not working. Okay, so for IA, it enumerates activity. Event date. So let's go ahead and append the event date, and then let's do the player ID. And device ID, and then games played. Cool. And then obviously we need to sort this. So we're sorting by the event date itself, not by the rest of the columns. So let's print cur. Move this up. Cool. So that looks correct so far, just looking at these dates. So now let's go ahead and basically get all the player IDs and then sort of look at it using prefix sum. So 5 plus 6 plus 1, 5, 11, 12. So let's create a default dictive type list. So for C and cur, D of C of 1, dot append C of 0, C of 2, and C of 3. So basically my idea here was just to get the player ID and then the rest of the information, and then we're just going to do the same thing because we want to sort by the date. And then let's loop through this dictionary. Cool. So now we can do the prefix sums 561 and then 05. The dates are the same because actually in Python 3.8 to whatever the current version is, I forget, the dictionary keys retain their order, so that's pretty good. So basically we can just say now, because we want the prefix sum, let's call this PS. For A and DK, obviously PS plus equals to A of -1. And we're just going to append. So we want the player ID, the event date. So let's say answer.append. The player ID is just K. The event date is A of 0. And then the games played so far is PS. Let's make this a string because we don't want the timestamp data type with a nasty colon 000 whatever at the end. Okay, cool. So this looks like it matches this, so we're good to go. And it says doesn't matter the ordering. So let's go ahead and create a data frame and go ahead and make the columns. For A and answer. A 2. Player ID is equal to 1. Event date is equal to 2. And if someone knows how to get Leetcode to sort of do suggestions as you do typing, because it'd be easier, but either way, this is fine. Let's return this data frame, and that should be it. So we just gather the results and run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any help and solve it on my own. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.